Welcome back to PowMr channel. In this video, we will walk you through how to set up BMS communication between the POW-SunSmart 12KPL3 inverter and the POW-LlO series batteries. First, make sure the inverter is connected only to the battery power supply. If any other lights are already connected, please turn off the breakers and keep only the battery light connected. Next, use a standard Cat5e network cable to connect the inverter's RS-485 port to the RS-485A port on the battery. Then set the dip switch on the battery to position 1. If we are using multiple batteries in parallel, simply connect the inverter to the battery with the dip switch set to 1. With only the battery connected and inverter powered on, go to setting 8 and set the battery type to L16, which stands for a 16-cell lithium iron phosphate battery. Then switch to setting 32 and select the 485 communication. Finally, go to setting 33 and set the BMS communication protocol to POW-LlO. Return to the main screen. If no error message appears, the inverter and battery are successfully communicating.